morning, students. Welcome back to social studies. That's what all we studied at previous class. We studied about sense organs, right? How many sense organs we have? Five sense. Which all those? Eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue, right? Yes. Now, everybody, open your page number 13. We stopped here, right? We'll continue now this. We have sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yes. F, I, V, E. How many sense organs we have? 5. They are, yes, they are eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue, right? Right? Yes. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense. What all they? Eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue, right? Yes. Now, everybody open a page number 14. We'll see now. Read this question, give the above and tick the correct answer. Do you? Yes, we'll see. We will, this is like true or false. Yes or no, we'll see. Touch your eyes with your dirty hands. Yeah, you will touch with your dirty hands, you will touch your eyes. No, we won't touch. Strain your eyes by watching too much of TV. Too much of TV, too much of phone, you will watch right nicely. So that what will the eyes will happen? The eyes will get strained. So, no, we should not do that. Rub your eyes. We should rub our eyes. No, we should not rub our eyes. Wash your hands oftenly. Yes, we should wash our hands oftenly. Yes, right? You'll wash. Yes, we should wash to keep healthy or to keep ourselves healthy. We have to wash our hands oftenly. Cut your nails regularly. Yes, weekly once or weekly twice. We have to cut our nails. Okay. Eat healthy food. What we have to eat? We have to eat healthy foods. Yes. Keep your nose clean. Yes. You'll keep your nose dirty. No, we should not. What we should do? We should keep our nose clean. Next we'll see. Fill in the blanks. If something gets in your eyes, dash with water and do not dash your nails. If see in your eyes, if something get into your eyes, what we should do? Yes, we should wash with water. We should not rub. Okay, if anything falls in your eyes or what all it happened, we should not rub our eyes. Just we should put water or take one glass of water and just dip your eyes, like you take to that glass near to your eyes and dip your eyes. In that, what all the dust is there in your eyes, it all will clean up with water. Okay. Yes. So wash with water. Wash with water. Okay. Yes. Do not bite your nails. That alter what you have to do? We have to cut your nails. No, we have to We should not bite our nails. Okay, see, same the related they gave here. If something gets into our eyes, do not rub it. Wash or rinse your eyes with water. Yes, which all I told. If something fallen in your eyes, you should not rub it. Take one glass of water and take that glass of water. Take near to your eyes and just dip your eyes into that glass, so that what all the dust is there in eyes, it all will wind up with water. Do not bite your nails. Use the nail cutter to trim your nails. Yes, what you have to do? For cutting the nails, we should take nail cutter. To trim our nails, we should not bite. Okay? Yes. Next, yes, we got to know about this, right? Now, everybody open a page now. We'll go through at next page, page number 15. Okay. Which sense do you use for this for the activity given above? They are asking only the sense. They are not asking like whichever the parts. They are asking only the activity. Okay, we'll see. For eating ice cream. What we will? Which sense? Taste, right? Yes, T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Okay. Yes. Next, listening to music. For listening music, what the ears will do? Ears will do hearing. Right? Yes. Watching television. By watching television, what the eyes will do? Sight, right? If the eyes will do sight. Sighting, we can see the television. Right? Yes. Now, next we'll see sensing the perfume. By which? By smell. By smell, we can sensing the perfume. Smoothing a pet. How we can? Yes, we can by touch. By touching them only, we can feel that the smoothing sense of the pets, right? Yes. Okay. We got to know. Yes, right? Yes. Next we'll see. I see with my what? Yes, I see with my eyes. Eyes, right? Yes, here with my ears. Touch with my skin. Taste with my tongue. And smell with my nose. Okay. I see with my eyes, hear with my ears, and touch with my skin, and taste with my tongue, and smell with my nose. Our ears collect, dash, and send a sound signal to our dash. What? Our ears collect the information and send the sound signal to our brain. Our ears collect the information and send the sound signal to our brains, right? If only then what automatic it will go? Automatic it will go to brain, see some sound signal like that. Then we will start enjoying. Okay. Loud volume while using the earphones can damage our ears or hearing. Okay. Yes, what all I explained here, same here. That's some interesting fact here. CLC. We use the different sense organs to the different things. We sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch are the five senses which help us to know the around the world. I already explained here. Later, ear on either sides of our head, they collect the sound signal, process and send this to our brain. Yes, I told. And a loud volume while using the earphones can damage our hearing. Okay, same. Okay, students. Bye, students. Meet you up at the next class with a new topic. Okay.